Okay, I'd like to show you the online BCOM 301 course and what people are doing in YellowDig. Carolyn decided to do a mind map about what motivates her, and she uploaded it, and I can open it. Then Cassandra and Danielle replied. Natasha put her word mind map up. Others replied. Katie. She did a rather interesting one with a really nice visual. She posted it. Natasha introduced herself. We learned from Katie about snowing in Louisiana, or as I used to call it in Texas, Louisiana. Quite a bit. She introduced herself with she and her husband. He showed us the snow. Let's see. He's from Nigeria, born in southern Illinois and raised in Nigeria. He's doing MIS. And Terre Haute, Indiana, where I worked very briefly at a university. And she shared the Georgia snow. Really cool. Another mind map. You can see they're attaching them, and they're replying to one another. I like the title, The Life of Danielle. So that gives you an idea of at least how the BCOM 301, who has a slightly different assignment, is using YellowDig. It's quite a lot of fun.